In this clip, we'll be looking at the Analytics feature within the Innova app. This feature is accessed by selecting the three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen and selecting Analytics. Analytics is made up of three sections: Charts, Drilling Records, and Well Analysis, which are all accessed via the icons at the bottom of the screen. We'll take a look at the Charts section first. The Charts section is split into two parts. The bottom half of the screen is a list of all the wells available on the server database, and in the top half there is a selection of analytics charts which display KPI data for the selected wells. The wells can be selected manually by choosing the red circle at the right hand side of the well name, or there are two search options available to speed up the selection process when there are a lot of wells available. Typing the well name or well status into the search bar in the middle of the screen will quickly filter the available options. Alternatively, the user can select the blue circle at the bottom right of the page, which opens the Search Wells dialog. All the cells in the dialog have drop-down menus. The drop-down options are based on the data available in the server database. Once the required options have been chosen, the user can select Submit, and the relevant wells will be automatically selected in the wells list. The red cross at the bottom right of the screen resets the search filters and changes all wells to unselected. With wells now chosen, the charts at the top of the screen populate with the associated data. There are 8 charts available, and these are viewed by swiping left or right. Turning the phone or tablet to landscape will fill the screen with the charts, making them clearer to read. The available charts are depth versus days, slide rotate footage, ROP, drilling hours, cost per well, cost per day, and cost per operator. Some of the charts have a phase filter available at the top right, allowing the data to be further filtered, and the depth versus days chart also has an option to remove flat time. We'll now take a look at the drilling records section. This section has a search option at the top of the page, and all the cells have drop-down menus. The options in the drop-down list are again based on the data available in the server database. Once the relevant options have been chosen, the user can select Search, and the lower sections of the page will populate. There are 5 sections, and each section lists the available wells in order based on the metric of interest. The number of results displayed in each section will be based on the number of wells included in the search and also the value entered in the results search parameter. This is the maximum number of results that will be displayed, but it is possible that there will be less. The 5 sections are Fastest section, Fastest ROP including drilling hours only, Fastest ROP total hours, Max drilled per day, and longest section. The final page we're going to look at is the well analysis page. As with the drilling records page, there is a search section at the top, and once the appropriate selections have been made, the user hits search and the lower section of the page will populate with the relevant data. In this example, no selection has been made, so the search will include all wells in the server database. There are 7 sections below the search which display data based on the wells selected. These are the map section, which shows the surface location of all the selected wells, the operators section, which displays any operators included in the selection, the well status section, which displays the number of selected wells and their current status, Formations section, which displays the target formation of the selected wells. The States section, which displays the states the selected wells were drilled in. The County section, which displays the counties the selected wells were drilled in. And the Rig section, which displays the rigs that were used to drill the selected wells. This now concludes our introduction to the Analytics section of the app.